Hello guys, I'm back and we are working on the patch again today. You are. So today we have a lot of stuff we need to get out of the way. So we can start breaking in the engine. We have a old tachometer. I'm gonna hook that up so when we break it in we know how much RPMs we're doing. A new cable for the throttle. We're also going to switch everything to AN lines under the hood because the more I don't like working with AN lines, but once they're set and they're in, they look really good and they're not going to be coming apart. So that's going to be a big one. We're going to be doing some of the radiator hoses, trying to get all that stuff hooked up. We have a new thermostat, and this thermostat is going to be for our electric fans. So I'm going to hook this up. So we have the fans hooked up. Also have my thermometer gun ready, but that's until we break in the engine. That's going to be a little bit of time anyway. This is our beautiful engine, right? So we're going to be changing this gauge to AN line, changing this regulator to AN line. We're taking out this clear filter, and we are going to be changing this to an AN line as well, right to the carburetor. So I bought these custom AN line fittings, like these, so that we can use a regular MPT fitting, but it goes to an AN line fitting right there. So we're going to take out these old fittings right here. Hopefully this fits. Yep. And we're just changing it from a regular press and fitting to this. Is it a little bit overkill? Yes. But it works. I mean, that's really what matters at the end of the day. 2 days ago, I was working on the truck and my microphone cut out halfway through. And I lost pretty much like an hour of footage. Right? So I'm going to show you what I did. Alright, so first off, I finally painted this thing, so it doesn't look all rusty and ugly. It's very, very pretty, very smooth. The paint laid down very smoothly. So happy with it. And also finished up all of this. I don't know if I showed you guys last 2 days ago. Yeah, this is all done. This is all pretty much ready. I'll put in the filter right there just to have it. I'm still gonna have to buy a new one, because that's the old filter. I don't know if it's actually dirty or not inside, so it's only like $25. Not like I'm losing much. Also, finally put in the radiator hose, lower one, right there. I put in some hose clamps in the middle because it was getting kinked up. So I would have it turn, right? It had a 90 bend, but it would kind of like do this, right? It would get kinked right here. Oh, but and then so I was like this. So what I did is I put like hose clamps right where it's getting kinked up, so it kind of opened up the hose again. So yeah, I got the lower radiator hose done. I painted the brake booster. I painted this a little bit just so it's not just bare metal and Bondo, because I had it like that for a while. And then I also Ooh, I got these gauges working. So I want to get the gauges up here to work, but for now I'm just want to do it down there just because it's a little easier. Because like the cluster is from 58, so half that stuff is kind of like, it's not hard to wire. I'm sure if I look a little bit of research into it, but for now I want to get like some exact readings, just so I know, like when I do the break-in and everything, that everything's perfect. Let's see. Yeah. Also, yeah, I did a lot of stuff and I lost all the footage, pretty much. Not the shit. Not the shit. I have the tack working right here now. I put it on the outside just because I feel like it'd be kind of cool, like with some of the old, like one of my personal dream cars before. It was a Pontiac GTO, and it had like the speedometer on the outside. Obviously, it doesn't look like that. It's not clean like that, but you know. Oh yeah, I didn't even show you guys too. I also wired up the fans, so the fans should work off of, what's it called? No, the fans should work off of the, once the car starts getting up the temp, so everything's looking pretty good there. Yeah. I mean, we're gonna be doing the throttle cable. I tried to do it, but I just wasn't working. I was trying to do it without like the bracket, but I'm gonna have to get a bracket. That's just what it is. And yeah. So I think I more or less have the bracket built now. So the throttle cable is gonna sit up here, and then the TV cable is gonna hit down there. And half this stuff, I don't even know what a lot of this stuff is used for. So this is the problem of buying Chinese parts sometimes. It doesn't come with no damn instructions, especially when you're just so fucking lost about what the fuck to do. We're getting somewhere now. We're thinking real fucking hard. Damn. Goddamn. I'm a fucking genius, man. Of a genius. Can I just like stand right here, bro? Oh yes. Oh yeah. Alright, so pretty much everything's all done here, right? Everything's getting done. But right here, this TV cable bracket, the actual TV cable going to the transmission, is hitting this piece right here. And brother don't know what to do about that. I might have to cut it, but that means I'm gonna have to take off a lot of stuff real quick. I think I really don't want to do that. Alright, well, I mean, there's not that much more left to do to it. I mean, we're pretty much right at the end to start breaking in the engine. And I mean, once you start it up, that's the real start, the beginning for the real project, you know? Once it's running, we still got a million things more to do to this. Damn, I'm dirty. But yeah, so we're getting it done.